What do you get when you take the best-selling car in America and push its engine to 500,000 miles? ExxonMobil engineers wanted to find out. So they performed one extreme test with one full synthetic motor oil.
This engine is from a 2015 Toyota Camry. Our R&D team ran it 500,000 miles on Mobil 1 motor oil at highway speeds with oil changes every 10,000 miles. The average driver only puts about 13,000 miles on a car each year, which means at 500,000 miles, this engine's seen almost 40 years of use.
That's a long time. All those miles on one engine? Well, right off the bat, you can see just how clean everything looks. The valve cover, the camshafts.
Barely any visible wear or deposits, both great indicators of oil quality. For an engine that experienced 500,000 miles of service, I would have expected to see some signs of sludge or wear.
A lot of these parts actually look like new. If there were any indicators of wear, I'd expect to see it here on the crankshaft bearings. This Camry's bearing was rotated upon close to 1 billion times. Just look at how it stacks up against this brand new bearing. I can't tell the difference.
I'd say there's still a lot of life left in this engine.
That's due to the advanced wear protection of Mobil 1. After 500,000 miles, the way this engine looks is proof.
And proof of what today's cars can do with the right motor oil. For drivers, that could mean getting a lot more miles out of their cars.
2 out of 3 drivers who use full synthetic high-mileage oil use Mobil 1 high mileage. Specially formulated for vehicles with more than 75,000 miles, Mobil 1 high mileage provides unsurpassed wear protection that helps extend engine life. Get proven protection for up to 500,000 miles. And keep your car where it belongs, on the road. Mobil 1, energy lives here.
Your service facility is committed to providing excellent preventive maintenance. That's why they use Valvoline, to bring you premium service products for your vehicle.
You can protect the investment in your vehicle and help maximize its life by changing the oil and filter with a high-quality motor oil. Valvoline has been making quality motor oil for over 140 years.
Hello, I'm Terry, and this is Robin. And we want to talk to you today about Valvoline's SynPower Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Valvoline's SynPower Full Synthetic Motor Oil helps to extend the life of your vehicle by fighting the 3 major causes of engine stress. That is, heat, deposits, and wear.
Manufacturer recommendations for oil change frequency vary from vehicle to vehicle. Refer to the owner's manual for manufacturer recommendations on your oil change interval. Always check to see if you fall in the severe category with things like stop-and-go traffic and short trips. This will require you to change your oil and filter more frequently.
You know, your motor oil really plays a critical role. It lubricates and cleans your engine. The oil is pumped to the moving parts like the pistons and the bearings and the valve train. It lubricates them so they can move freely as they do their jobs. This reduces wear and lowers engine temperature.
Now, over time, the oil gets contaminated and sludge starts to form. Your oil grabs a hold of contaminants and sludge, running them through the oil filter where they're captured. When the oil filter gets full, the contaminants are left to circulate through your engine. That's why you change your oil and filter regularly. And that's why using SynPower Full Synthetic Motor Oil just makes sense.
Valvoline SynPower is a premium motor oil. It's formulated with special additives, and it offers outstanding high-temperature protection, unique detergents to reduce deposits, and a durable anti-wear formulation.
This all adds up to reduced engine stress. When you want to keep your engine running its best, choose the ultimate protection found in SynPower Full Synthetic Motor Oil.
Now, here's something pretty neat. If you have less than 125,000 miles on your vehicle, you can register for Valvoline's no-hassle engine guarantee. You can get up to 300,000 miles of guaranteed engine life when you use Valvoline's SynPower or SynPower Next Gen synthetic motor oils. For more information, including the terms and limitations, visit engineguarantee.com.
Ask the professional at your service facility to help you select the Valvoline motor oil that's right for your vehicle.
You want to protect your truck in challenging environments. No matter how hot, cold, steep, dusty, or muddy, you demand protection. Now you can have it all, and you can have it in a synthetic formulation. Shell Rotella T6 5W40 Full Synthetic offers all the protection you expect from Shell Rotella T-Triple Protection Engine Oil with the benefits of a synthetic. To demonstrate how Shell Rotella T6 5W40 maintains its flow characteristics, watch these new and used pour tests chilled to minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. See how Shell Rotella T6 5W40 flows better than the conventional 15W40 oil. Watch in even colder temperatures of minus 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Even use Shell Rotella T6 5W40 from an engine run over a 35,000-mile oil drain interval flows better than conventional 15W40 oil. Now compare new conventional Shell Rotella T-Triple Protection 15W40 oil with Shell Rotella T6 5W40 chilled to minus 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Even after an 88,000-mile oil drain interval, Shell Rotella T6 5W40 flows better than the conventional 15W40 oil. It demonstrates that it will flow effectively at low temperatures, even under extended drain and high soot conditions. And Shell Rotella T6 5W40 can help improve fuel efficiency through lower viscous friction in lubricated contacts and by reducing the energy used to pump oil through the engine. Shell Rotella T6 offers potential fuel economy savings of up to 1.5%. This was demonstrated in 2009 on-the-road field testing in medium-duty trucks on highway cycles. For a typical truck covering 100,000 miles per year, that's an annual savings of approximately 250 gallons of diesel fuel. At $3 a gallon, that's a savings of up to $750 per truck per year. Additionally, Shell Rotella T6 5W40 provides unsurpassed protection against shear stability degradation compared to the leading competitive API CJ4 products. A shear-stable product helps maintain constant viscosity and oil pressure in the engine. Compared to our previous synthetic formula, today's Shell Rotella T6 5W40 delivers 34% better wear performance performance on average. The wear control is demonstrated in 7 out of 7 industry standard diesel engine wear test measurements. Shell Rotella T6 5W40 helps control the impact of soot on your engine too. Its high-performance ashless chemistry keeps soot particles apart, providing up to 36% improvement in soot control. It also helps prevent sludge, deposits, and wear. Shell Rotella T6 5W40 is suitable for most heavy-duty on- and off-highway applications, including modern low-emission engines, especially for those with exhaust after-treatment devices operating in extreme conditions. The energized protection of Shell Rotella T6 5W40 with adaptive technology delivers on average up to 34% better wear performance compared to the previous API CI4 Plus 5W40 formulation. It improves soot control up to 36% at typical engine oil soot levels and also provides excellent protection in extreme high-low temperatures. Shell Rotella T6 even helps improve the fuel efficiency of your engine and meets the durability and performance demands of the latest low-emission equipment. Shell Rotella T6 5W40. However tough, Shell Rotella protects.
Every engine deals with pressures that cause intense friction that can waste up to 10% of engine performance. Castrol Edge with fluid titanium transforms to be stronger under pressure and is 3 times stronger than leading oils against viscosity breakdown and reduces performance-robbing friction. Unlock exhilarating performance. Castrol Edge. Live on the edge.